So Voltaire is not even here yet. Chang hard fork hasn't even been deployed yet. And there are already people that are trying to sneak their way into Cardano and kind of shake up what we've built over all this time. There was actually a proposal that was put together, I believe a few months ago, that just came to light that is actually a little bit disturbing. And what this proposal is actually trying to do is take 200 million ADA from the treasury. Now, this was actually proposed by 3 UTXO, and everybody needs to make sure they vote against this. It says time to switch gears for Cardano. Well, if what we've had is so good for such a long period of time, why are we trying to switch gears? So specifically, the troubling point in this is the next steps. It says to benefit from this opportunity, we are applying for a 200 million ADA grant, meaning they don't have to pay it back when Voltaire is live. We aim for 500 million USD in the treasury by the end of 2025. And so what 3 UTXO is an expert arm to a Cardano treasury funded decentralized community evergreen fund nonprofit to ensure the growth of the Cardano ecosystem. What they're trying to do is, by having our own decentralized community evergreen fund, NPO, merged with an expert management team, we ensure the next growth phase of Cardano by nurturing the most promising ventures beyond Catalyst. In addition, we will bring in strategic co-investors, VCs, to achieve the greatest leverage. Doesn't really sound like the Cardano fundamentals exist in this project, to be honest with you guys. So that one, everybody can vote the way they want, but frankly, I am going to be voting no on this. This does not align with the Cardano fundamentals. And I think it's kind of a slap in the face to what's been built over time. In fact, of this is like 10, 15% of the Cardano treasury. So you're depleting funds that can actually go towards more beneficial things for the Cardano ecosystem. We don't need VCs. It's not something that's been needed before for ADA performance. And frankly, VCs aren't going to bring in more retail users, which is what most of the Cardano ecosystem is waiting for, right? So now here's the thing, and that's about $74 million for those that are curious. It's not a small amount by any means. So what is interesting now, guys, is we're going through this phase where right now people are betting very heavily against Cardano. We've actually seen short interest on the rise. In fact, I believe this is $8.6 million filling in on top of the current price range, trying to push Cardano down. There is some long leverage down below here that we're kind of starting to seep into just a little bit. But there are people that think that this is a strong point of resistance for ADA, that think that we're not going to make much headway here. And frankly, we have now a little bit of time before we get to the Chang hard fork. We know that right now, September 1st is supposed to be the launch date, and they're betting on ADA not making up ground between them. So what this talks about is ADA possibly losing some support down in this ground. We're kind of in this weird mid-bubble range where we've had a lot of accumulation below here, a lot of accumulation above here. So ADA's kind of in this chop zone, right? This chop zone that we've been in for quite some time now. We're trying to make some direction one way or the other. Now, here's the thing. This week is going to provide a lot of direction heading into the Chang hard fork. If momentum is bullish, that's a great thing. It may be a bullish catalyst to continue pushing price higher. If things continue to drop from here, if we don't get a good NVIDIA earning, like I talked about earlier today, if we don't get a good PC report, it's possible we may trickle down and maybe the Chang hard fork could turn into a sell the news event yet. We don't know, right? We don't know what is coming. There's no guarantees in crypto. But one thing is for certain, we're getting close to that time where the market's getting ready to send. This is the reason why, I'm more bullish than bearish right now. I think these things will sort themselves out. There's always bad actors in the space when it comes to, decentralization. There are always bad actors in the space that think that the market's going to continue dropping. But there also comes a point where those people get punished. They get punished for not playing things the right way. As always, people can do what they want, but I just wanted to share this with you guys. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. What do you guys think of this proposal? What do you guys think of this big short position or short positions that are being taken out against ADA? And where do you think we are headed? But appreciate you guys as always. Have a great day. Show your love below. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.